Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure.
We all know that proper functioning of kidney is so much important for a healthy life. So today we'll be talking about acupressure points to improve kidney functions. So let us now know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here you can see this is my Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page I post many acupressure related photos. Do check it out. So our acupressure point is on the front side of our hand. So our acupressure point is on the middle finger. You can see this first joint of the middle finger. Just below that line towards small finger is this point. This point is called as kidney 3. This point is bilateral. That means you can find this point on both the hands. You press this point properly for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, you need to press it properly, and after that we'll do magnet therapy on this point. For magnet therapy we'll take paper tape and we'll take tonification, sedation magnet or buell magnets. If you are not having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. I have also made a video on it. You can check it out, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it from us. At this point we'll apply a magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white side of the magnet. Okay, we'll tone this point. You need to apply it properly on both the hands. If you are applying magnets, you need to keep it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tapes away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire, they can use for a lifetime. So now let us discuss about seed therapy. For seed therapy, we'll take paper tape and we'll take fenugreek seed or methi dana. So on a paper tape, we'll take a single fenugreek seed and then apply this seed on this point properly on both the hands. You need to do this treatment on both the hands. And whenever you are applying seed, you need to keep it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape and the seed away. And on the next day, take new paper tape with new seed on it. Do not use the same seed again. Do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.